The lips should be very rounded for this sound. Relax your tongue and allow the tip to rest just behind your lower front teeth. The back of the tongue is high, but not as high as for oo, as in goose. Or, 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 thaw.